Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. Have your API key, chosen model, and sufficient quota ready. Next, define a tight objective so the model knows the end result. Include format, length limits, and a simple evaluation metric. Then prepare 3 to 5 exemplar pairs for few-shot prompts to show the model the pattern. Once done, assemble a minimal prompt template with variables for input and context, and make sure to lock any unsafe or private fields before sending requests. You now iterate. Split prompts into system, instruction, examples, and input blocks so changes stay isolated. Run 5 to 10 short test variations and compare outputs side by side. Log the prompt, model settings, latency, and cost for each run. When you tweak temperature or top P, make small, measured changes to observe behavior. Lower temperature yields consistent answers, higher adds creativity. Once patterns emerge, codify the best template and parameter set for reproducible calls in your workflow. You finish by validating at scale. Run a batch of 50 to 200 inputs and measure accuracy, coverage, and the types of failures you see. Add deterministic post-processing, filters, rejects normalization, and a confidence heuristic to clean outputs before downstream use. Implement retry logic with exponential backoff and clear guardrails to catch hallucinations or unsafe material. If things go wrong, first reduce temperature and rerun failing cases, then refine examples or add explicit constraints to the prompt, and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.